All right, all right. Check this out, bro. Check this out. It's cold. It's cold, guys. But I'm gonna tell you something. These Shais are even colder, bro. These are cold. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. And like I said, it's a cold day, and these are even colder. I'm telling you guys, these things are gorgeous. I don't even know if to get straight into the shoe or get into the presentation because they're both fire. They're both fire. And if you guys don't have your hands on these, I'm telling you, you're missing out on something. You're missing out on something special. That this is what basketball shoes should have been doing for a long time. Actually, not the basketball shoes. Not the basketball shoes cannot be doing this. No, the designer should be doing it. Wow. But what I am gonna do, guys, I'm gonna start it off with this presentation that's out of control. Out of control, embossment and everything. Check it out, guys. The whole box. It is cabinet style, drawer style, however you guys wanna put it. It is all embossed with the logo all across the actual box. The whole box, it has the embossment of the logo. And right there in the middle in black, it has the logo itself. And the whole box is great. Very beautiful. I love it. The sides of the box has absolutely nothing. The back just has the Shai logo and the Converse logo right there. And you guys can see the QR codes, yes, 9.5. I'll get to the sizing towards the end of the video. And right on top of that, it has the little Converse logo. Going inside of the box, just plain black paper, guys. And just in case you guys care, yes, the shoes do come wrapped. Hey, wait a second. Hey, I didn't know I had this in here. 2 steps forward, 1 step back. With his autograph. Yo, Zay, what? I didn't know I had that. Well, there you guys have it. Just keep going with the video. Like this. Like that. Just like that. Like that. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, it's just like that. Besides that, yes. Very nice presentation. Now, let's not even waste time anymore. Let's get into these ice colds. I'm going to start calling these the ice colds. What else is in here? Huh? Gotta take out something else, you know what I'm saying? You already know how I start this off, guys. The materials. And the toe box. And now that I'm looking at it, I don't know about the toe box. These shoes are just getting more complicated by the day, man. I think the toe box is just gonna have to stick to Jordans. Yeah, because this is like one whole. It's all over the place, guys. Just check out the shoe. Like I was saying, very complicated, but it is what it is. This material, you see the light blue that's on the light blue that's on the other light blue. This right here, to me, guys. Once again, I could be wrong about this. It feels like a rubber, but it could be nubuck. I really don't know when it comes to this right here, but I think I'm gonna stick more with the rubber. Yes, and not the fun kind. This is not this is very awkward material right here. Very nice though. Very beautiful material. The whole front of the toe box is in that same rubber material. That it's not the same texture, but guys, like I said, it has to be rubber, man. This has to be like a rubber, silicone, whatever. But you know, I'll leave that to the material experts out there. But it's like the whole shoe, very little different materials over here. Just keep that in mind. And right on the side, it says Air Zoom for obviously the Air Zoom technology. That it is Nike, but Converse is owned by Nike, just in case you guys didn't know that. Staying in the top of the shoe, see the zipper right there with the Converse logo, and it's actually wrapped in a silicone. The material where the actual zipper goes, that's the same type of material as the toe box I guess, if you want to put it like that. But you guys see that different shade of light blue? That right there is actually, you could call it a cotton silky type of material. That is pretty much the same as the ankle collar, but we'll get to that in just a little bit. The actual tongue, it has the 27 for Shai's logo, very nicely embossed. You guys see the underlay. It has holes for the breathability, nicely sewn. And this, I will have to say, once again, I don't know if it's nubuck or not, but the whole tongue is in that same type of material that, again, guys, you know, I don't really like doing that because it's very confusing. It's the same material as this. So, I don't know, man. I don't know. For like right here, it feels like nubuck, but over here, it feels like rubber. Whatever. It is what it is, guys. You guys get the point. And going inside of the shoe, you guys see Shai's logo, 27, very beautiful right there. All light blue with a different shade of blue on the logo. And everything else is just light blue. The whole shoe is light blue, including shoelaces. And you guys obviously saw it already, but everything is light blue. Going to the side of the shoe, that same pattern that's on the toe box crosses all the way to the back, where it meets up with that ankle collar that is in that cloth silky material, very good quality. And you guys see that it turns into, you could say, the midsole, but it's not the midsole, but it is the midsole. You guys are seeing it. It's a crazy design. Once again, guys, very crazy design. And how technology has changed to the point that even as a reviewer, it's like, you know, okay, how do I put this? I'm so used to more the classic feel shoe. Not that I have anything against it. I'm just saying, guys, I'm trying to describe it as best as possible for you guys to get the detail of the shoe. But yeah, you guys can see it right there. And it has like a glossy color running all across the back of the shoe, pretty much to the mid half of the shoe. The whole upper of that, I'm guessing, is probably the Zoom technology or like a polyurethane. And it has a different type of shade of light blue or blue, whatever you guys want to call it. All the way to the back of the shoe, you guys see the Converse logo. It's a hard plastic, but it's shiny the same as that midsole piece. That, personally, I love that contrast, dude. This is like some, I don't know, Cyberpunk 2077 type of shoe right here, bro. This is my thing, bro. Like, I really love this shoe. And even though I stayed a couple of days with it, you know, observing it, it's very well done for having so many different type of panels and stuff put together. And well, you guys are seeing it right there. I would imagine, or I would think, that it will have more glue marks and more fraying of the stitching. And I tell you, it did a great job. So I guess we're gonna have to jump into that midsole. That, once again, it's kind of confusing because it actually concaves to the top. Like in the front area, you guys can see that it goes higher, then it goes low, and the whole midsole stays under that big plastic that obviously in there is the Zoom technology, but it is very nice. So you guys can see a little bit of the tread pattern of the sole of the shoe. Let's go to the sole of the shoe. Converse logo, really nice. That, I don't know if this is like some subliminal message on the star. It has a little, you know what I'm saying, little thing going on there that I'm not gonna pinpoint or say anything about it. But I tell you one thing, the whole tread pattern of the shoe, it is beautiful, dude. This is really, really nice. I really like it. Light blue, of course, with only those two type of shades of baby blue. And in the middle, right in the heel, you guys see like an egg shape, oval shape. You guys can see the Shai logo, 27 right in the middle, embossed into that. And I'm telling you guys, very nice, bro. Very, very nice. So there you guys have it. Now, of course, I'm going to get into the actual, the sizing and the whole shebang, and why that I hesitate there a little bit, because I am actually planning on wearing these for a long walk. I can tell you the comfortability of them now. And so far, when it comes to the comfortability and the sizing of it, it is true to size 100%. You know, maybe if you're extremely wide-footed, you could go half a size up, but I recommend going through the size. They fit perfect on me. I am a 9.5, and I went 9.5 on these. They fit perfect. I can't complain about it whatsoever. And comfortability for now, guys, is extremely, extremely comfortable. That's the part. I understand it does have the Zoom Air technology, but man, these, at least here in the studio, walking around, you know, going to get some coffee, dude, it's nice. It's really nice. I would like to actually walk with these a few hours, at least 3 or 4 hours, go to a theme park, do something with it, go to a state park, something, so I could get the actual full comfort on it. You know, one thing is an hour or two sitting down or whatever, you know what I'm saying? These things seem very promising, even though the top right there, as you guys can see where the zipper's at, I'm a little afraid that there's going to be creasing. You know, I saw a couple of things on the internet about that, but, you know, I'll try to see how, you know, I'm not going to lie either, guys. I'm not a real big fan of creasing, you know, and it is what it is. Each person, to each his own, you know, it's just the way it is. But yeah, I have a feeling that there's going to be creasing if you don't zip that zipper in a correct way, you know what I'm saying? And when it comes to the styling, guys, dude, this shoe is something different. A lot of swag on these shoes, you know, the zipper, the whole same color all the way through, just different type of little shades here and there. They killed it. They killed it on this shoe. What a magnificent shoe, dude. That ass, man. That ass. They killed it on this shoe. Like, I am extremely happy that I have these shoes in hand, and just the way it's made, man. Very solid, very solid. Great job, Nike, the people at Converse. I don't know if Shai was actually involved in the design of this shoe. I have no idea. But obviously he had to, you know. But you know how this world works. Oh, yo, I wrote the song, but it really wasn't the person that wrote it. If you guys understand, in a different industry, I designed it. In reality, he didn't design nothing, because this is sick, dude. If he did, lots of imagination. Very beautiful, very beautiful. But there you guys have it, the Shai 001. Yes, very highly recommended. I'll leave the links for you guys there just in case you guys want. And there is restocking of these. The prices have gone down just in case you guys want. That's pretty much it for today, guys. A lot more content to come. A lot more reviews. It just keeps on stockpiling, guys. It keeps on stockpiling. Till next time, everybody. I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. I got it on this side. El cohete.